Let me show you how to fix a black screen on your iPhone. Now, if your iPhone is black and you can't get it to turn on or interact with it, I'll show you how to fix it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the easiest way to get your phone back up and running, even if you press that power button and it doesn't work to turn your phone on, is to do a force restart on your iPhone. You can do that by pressing the volume up, pressing the volume down, and then pressing and holding the side button until you see the Apple logo appear. So I'm going to do volume up, volume down, and then press and hold that side button. I'm going to hold it until I see that Apple logo appear. Again, this does a force restart of your phone, almost always fixes the black screen of death. Again, volume up, volume down, and press and hold that side or power button until you see the Apple logo, and then everything should boot up normally from there, just like that.